Hello everyone, welcome back to another Hume DIY. Welcome back to another video. I'm starting off in my garage. It's been a while since I've actually done any work in here, like any longer work, building something, but I'm building a fireplace for my room, so I'm gonna just jump in and do it. It should be pretty straightforward. I have plans I can show y'all, but I'm gonna start off with the frame and then go into the plywood, and then all the other stuff. So let's go into the garage. Alrighty, here's the current state of the fireplace. It's very shallow, 9 inches to be exact, but it'll be a little bit deeper because I'm putting 2 layers of plywood, so that's another 1.5 inches, and that's 10.5 inches. Yeah, so it's pretty sturdy, and it's looking good. Crap, I just realized that I'm doing it the wrong way. I realized because it wasn't going to fit from the top and I need it to go higher on the top. And so I'm doing it the wrong way. So I need to turn it around and restart doing the measurements. Goodness. Okay, I got that all squared away. And now I gotta go to a party, mother-in-law party. Shout out mother-in-law if you're watching this. And now we'll be back to the fireplace and other stuff later tonight, I think. So see you then. Hello, doggy. Junebug. The Junebug. Hello, Wendy. You got Buddy's toy? Hello, people. I'm back. Back to the garage. Here's the current setup. Got the hole, the braces. Not together yet, but close. Wonder. Wonder said if y'all haven't watched the slat wall video, then you should go watch it. Or she's gonna come and lick you in the face. Go check it out. Hello. So I'm laying my brick. It's actually been a lot of fun, as you can see. I pulled a little switcheroo and did the top. I was planning on this being the top, or this being the bottom, but I switched it around, so now we got the top, or we got the bottom, sides, the back, and the top I'm gonna leave empty because there's gonna be I was gonna originally leave it empty because you can't really see the top, and I was gonna put a board and then paint it black like it would on a normal fireplace, where it's just open with the hole, up in the ceiling. So I think I might just still do that, but I'll let it dry and then we'll grout it. Should be good. Hello, today is sanding the fireplace and painting the fireplace before I install it. So it's gonna be a little bit of like piecemeal, if that's the right phrase here. I'm gonna be painting it, sanding it in pieces, and then putting it together in the room. Let's go. Today, we are installing the fireplace to the master bedroom. Now, if you're watching this, it is day 4 of the master renovation makeover, surprising my wife. And, well, she's already seen the room. It's not completely done, and I haven't installed the fireplace, but she doesn't know what the fireplace looks like. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm super excited. And we should be done with the master bedroom, except for the bathroom, of course. But let's get in the fireplace. I'm excited. Put her. Alright, after a lot of trying to mess with the pieces of wood that weren't correctly fitting, I just went with putting it on, and then I'm going to fill it in with caulk. So, not the best solution, but it is a solution. So I'm trying to get this done before I start work in the morning. And I'm moving a little slow, so gotta kick it up. Gotta kick it up. Alrighty. Surprise number 2. You can just come in, I guess.
Whoa. That's cool. I didn't know what to expect. That's pretty awesome. Wait, so where's the fire?
It doesn't exist.
There's not going to be fire in it?
No, right now. It's a fake fireplace.
But eventually we could put a fire? No.
Possibly.
No, no fire.
We can get an electrical one.
That's cool.
If we want. I made that so you can like remove it if we want to put something else in, but I kind of wanted to not spend all the money on one, so.
And we're in Texas, so.
Yeah.
Don't really need a
But
fireplace.
I've made that.
The what?
The brick.
Wow.
I like made that brick.
That's cool.
I know, pretty cool, huh?
I think it looks awesome.
And then thank y'all so much for watching and for being here. I really appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if y'all want to see a shorter video on how I made the fireplace, go check that out. Go to videos or link in bio or on my profile. You know, there's a bunch of ways to get to it. Anyway, thank y'all so much for, it's early here in the morning. Anyway, I'm Chris, and I will see y'all out there. Toodaloo.